90. That's one. At but okay, there we go. Oh, progress, no goal, progress. Turn off slow mode. Turned off slow mode. There we go. I'm just stopping this. 191 digits. Okay, I'm gonna have a little problem with this first number here. We got 7784 in the beginning. It's like 1112, but times 7. But 7 this time becomes the problem. So 61628 up to 27784. And I had two six-digit factors after this 2 cubed here, meaning this 2 cubed is the only factor that would have been found by using the 12 division up to 100,000. So unfortunately, that means... Oh, wait, it's actually an extra number. Because there's a 2 cubed, right? And also it ended in 4, meaning that, oh, there's only one direction it can go. This is the original number. I'm going to use my C# program now. I do Control F5 on my laptop. Oops, looks like I forgot to get my YouTube community tab. Give me a second. That's a fraction of a second. Oh no, there's a ViewTube issue. Views turned to 0 first and uploaded to the studio. Not on YouTube. It would show up as 0. Do your views show 0 in studio? Yes. No. Never had it. I'm gonna post it. Oh god. Do your views show 0? Do your views show 0? Is it studio? I've had a couple of videos that showed up 0 on my videos where not even watching my stream. 190! 8294 0 to 747931. Not a problem. My host, look, I'll show you my last voting poll in a little bit. 5 people voted. Oops, sorry for that. There was a post I made down which had 0 likes. Look, 0 people liked that number. Oh, this is what happened. You want to go to your YouTube channel? It says shout it out to more users. This tempo video? No, I don't have any such videos. Oh no, I realized you reached. I'll show you. This was the post I had. Look, I did that. Oh, see. Okay, now 190. I made a 0 77501 of the 0 There was a copyright strike at one point, but now that's expired. It's expired now. It happened back in August 2021, if you're surprised. Okay, I did the right direction there, thank God. 194. Wait, it's 04794. It sounds as if it's 04. Seriously. Did I copy the full number? Yeah, I did. It turns out there is a Fermat prime that divided. One of those Fermat primes is 257. I'm also going to go back and then a fraction of a second. There we go. Now, how many lines is this? 150. No, we have 160 character lines. Look, is this 14? So, what's 135 character lines? Oh my god, I nearly went into the German page there. Why? Right, you already left my stream. What is wrong with that guy? Do not leave. Don't leave my stream, okay? I really hate it when people leave my stream just like that. There's zero viewers now. Why is it 9-5? There's two digit roots in a row starting at 0. 4 0 7 0 up to 5 0 8 5 6 3. That was fairy bam. Never waste a click like that exactly again. I hate it when that happens. Let me play the song on repeat. My favorite one on my Spotify app. 1096. 254843 at the end. Several times a level comes nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Several times a level comes nothing. I hate it when I click low on Notepad. That is an 18 hits penalty. I really don't like myself doing that when that happens. I actually have to do an extreme punishment for that. Hate it when that happens. It's the worst kind of click. 42230 up to 0 to 7147 is not prime. We're gonna test one more program. If you click low on Notepad again, that is an 80 plus 25 penalty. So add for every extra time it happens on live stream, an extra 25 hits. 216904. 67094 to 216904. So the first and last digit groups, they both ended in 4. Oh, because look, Oh, 6 ruined it. Okay. Well, there was an odd digit before the 04, which was fine. This ended up ruining the number later because there was a 6 before that. And the 904 is odd times 2 cubed, so it stopped. Again, only one direction can be checked because we can't go forward here. Same with this number. What? I don't know what just happened. I resized it and look at this. There we go. This one did a test. Okay, right on a prime. No, not a prime. It took 6.5 seconds to say no, not a prime. 999. Go. 093283 at the end. 329909. 67778. No. What is the test on my program with a 100% chance? Unless I made the double. We need to do the all the way up to at least 100,000 here. I'll do up to just 100,000 for my program. 100, 1100 in this case. 343 774 somewhere in the number. I wonder. Huh? I understand. What waste? Barely the worst possible case. There's most likely 0 digits here. To an instant. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1897 yeah. Oh, I think I did a factoring expression. Do you see that? It's very unlikely on my laptop because it's so fast. No factors are getting found. What is going on? I'm lucky. Look, it's not going anywhere with these numbers at all. 95263 at the end. So what does 8695263? Oh. Alright. So it's the rentals, huh? I'll do, say, property. I'll show you in a bit. Pro. Hmm. I already did that. Say, say the first or second P. I'll show you what will happen. If I change this P into a Q, and then this second P into a Q, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna make a screenshot of that on my YouTube channel. I hate it when my views show 0 in one of my videos. Oops. What do you mean P, not Q? Really? Did you mean P, not Q? Look, you messed up both Q's. You were supposed to be P's. Look, the P was not supposed to be a Q at all. As if you were pressing the Q and the P keys wrong. 103, go. 923 496. No, no, no good. Not good. Well, can't even be possible here. If I don't count division more than 5, you know what happens? And there are no factors here. I almost never get confused between these keys, but I did it by on purpose. If I'll show you. Look, the Q should be a P here because you're tapping property, not this word here. So annoying when that happens. I'm gonna copy this to an instant. No wonder. 1104. Oops, wait. Wait, there. Wait, 2474. The 182296. It's 712474. Why? Not possible. Seriously. Look, I made a video that configuration, no. Look, I'll do privacy here and change this P into a Q. Oh. Okay, well, you know what? Oh. This P should not be a Q at all. Like, I'll show you. I made another example where the Q would be the only other letter that could be wrong. That could be like I'll show you this. Look, I will show you what happened. It's as if I got confused between the Q key and the P key on the other side. Look. I changed this P into a Q and then this happened. The only other suggestion that popped up. Now 1105 digits. 052589 showed up. It should not be taking this long. Alright, it's had two 5-digit factors, which is pretty bad. What? Did I go into the number already? What I don't like is when it stops factoring numbers. This number is already in queue for PRP tests. Look, it's doing this where it does not factor the number. I'll do. What happened here? This number is also a probable prime. I need to see what happened. Oh, it stopped at 208. Okay. Oh no, when was that number made? This is not my number, I'm serious. Over X divided by X. Oh, so that one's unknown. See, they're all unknown there. It's at several numbers here. So these are the 6 other factors of the number. Oh, that one is weird. 106 digits now. 27238, yeah, 2862756 up to 227238. There's no 2 times 3 again. Stop it, so long, in fact, DB. Took forever. Yay. This is fact right up to 300,000. Look, this number is very close to 300,000. See, there's no word where you can change the P or a Q, but make it the other way around. Oh, that's very disappointing. 0 milliseconds on both of the numbers. Why? 107, go. So, 31699 and 1672876 So only one of the directions is impossible. If I round changing goes to 6 digits here, however, the alphatron by default it does this to the number. I'm so disappointed about this. Five seven seven six seven. 506 38 completely up to 4760. I've been streaming for half an hour. I'm so disappointed about this live stream. I lost 6 digits over this factor anyway. Still no viewers. No views and no watch time. The live stream is disappointing. Oh, it's getting hot in Abu Dhabi again. 109. I did a test here. I think traffic 7276741. I'll be unlucky. That's close. It took a fraction of a second, right? Nothing happens. Sorry for my streams getting less. There is skip test, but look, it's caught that. There's a 9-digit factor. There's most likely 9 digits. We'll not find that factor on FactorDB. It's more than 8 digits. Or in some cases, it might only go up to 5 million, and that's it. See, it'll say small factor. There's only 9 digits as well. I made a caret B for some strange reason. I'm very disappointed. I'm ending the stream. The entire time nobody watched the stream and I'm so sad about it. Now from everyone, right? There's 0 on both numbers. Look. 0 should have on both numbers. Where 1 digit group starts in a 0 after the last one ended in a 0. So it looked like this. There are 7 of them. I literally can't believe there were 7 of them before I realised it. The first one is near the beginning of the number. Like any time with more than 1,000 digits, if one could get a 0, there's 16 of them. But I only noticed the first one, but the middle of the number. I hate the stream.